tryna show you something special, ain't no game. Fuck a nigga, I could buy you finer things. Arch your back and throw it back and go insane. Hello, mama, what's your name?
Welcome back to my video. Yes, I have on the same clothes as the last video because this is the same day, just different time because I needed to take a break, braid my hair, all that. You can see from the title, I'm gonna be putting pictures on this wall. I'm taking these down. I went to Walgreens. I printed out some pictures. This is like album covers, celebrities, like memes. Some more memes, but smaller. Some more memes, but a little bigger. And me and my bestie. She's so cute. She's so cute. Let's see if I can find an ugly picture. Because I'm all out of the camera. But yeah, some of my bestie and then some group pictures I have with other people. Let's see if I can find another one with a good one. You got my girl Bree. If you're watching this, look at you. It's you. This was Christmas. My Christmas party. Look at Chris. Ew. I printed out a bunch of pictures. Let's see what else I can find. Yeah. And then of course, pictures of me. All pictures of me, Aruba. Just a bunch of pictures of me. And then finally, I got some big pictures. Oh, I got this twice. Crazy. But just some cute pictures. And we're gonna put them on the wall. There's gonna be a time lapse because it's gonna take forever. Oh. And I got some double-sided tape. And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna time lapse it. So let's get into it. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like, and comment. Comment, subscribe, and like. And follow all my socials. And let's get straight into the video. Alright, so welcome back. As you can see, I made some progress. Well, you can't really see, but I made more progress because it's just this left of the wall. Some, what should I call it? Updates. The double-sided tape that I got from Walgreens did not work. I had to use this Duck brand. The Duck brand double-sided tape worked better. And then I had to tape it with regular clear tape together because that other stuff was not working. It kept falling off. So yeah, let me show y'all. Let me move the camera up so you can see some of the progress. Because we started from there, we made our way down. We just got like half of it left. So I'm gonna time lapse the rest so y'all can see the final product. Well, not final product. I'm gonna time lapse until I finish and then show y'all the final product. Don't mind my hair, it's a little crusty, rusty. Let's just get back into it. I'm finally done with the wall. Yes, I'm not gonna put it all the way down there because it's usually pillows down there, so It wouldn't even make sense because it would be covered. So let me turn the camera around and show y'all the final product, because it's like 2 something in the morning. All right, y'all, so it's the next morning because baby, I was tired after I showed y'all the complete rundown of the wall. See how there's pillows there? Wouldn't even show the bottom. But yeah, so I showed y'all that wall and then I fell asleep. And then when I woke up, I was like, why not? I got a bunch of extra pictures left. So I was like, why not just do this wall too? Because yeah, why not finish with the pictures? And if I have enough, I'll do that little tiny section over there too. Maybe not, because nobody ever sees over there. So probably just this. And yeah. So let's get right into it. Yes, right into it. So beautiful, right? So beautiful, so pretty, so pretty. So yes, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this. It should be a quick video because it's a whole time lapse, so it should be real quick, like maybe 5 minutes, if that. So yeah, thanks for watching this quick little video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like, and comment, subscribe, and like, and follow all my social medias, because if you would have followed me, you would have seen this wall already. But if you're not following me, you wouldn't see it. Right? Exactly. So do that.